Hello there, my DollarFocus family, and welcome to another episode of DollarFocus, where I give you some tidbits on how to become financially fit. So in our last episode, we spoke about making the transition from savings to investment. And we looked at two different low-risk investment options. We spoke about fixed deposits and we spoke about bonds. Now, in this episode, we are going to be talking a little bit about stocks and unit trust. Stocks and unit trust. So, stocks are shares. When we talk about stocks or shares, we're talking about you purchasing or investing in a company and you become part owners of the company. Isn't that awesome? Especially for some of us who might not have the opportunity of starting our own company. When we purchase shares, we are actually buying into the company, so we become part owners. And because we are part owners, guess what? We get to benefit from the profit. Yes, so if the company makes a profit, we benefit because the profit will be shared. The profit will be shared among all shareholders. Additionally, we get to make some decisions. We have votes as it relates to major decisions that the company will need to make. Now, how do we know what companies to invest in? We might not. But thank God for the financial institutions that are already out there in the market doing their research, have experience about these different companies, what they have to offer, their track record, and so on. And so they would be able to make some recommendations as it relates to what company to purchase or buy stocks in. Outside of that, you can do your own little personal research. You look at the track record of the company, you look at the stability, how long the company has been around, the type of product or service that they offer, and you also look and see whether or not this is a product or service you will use as well, and then you can make a decision as to whether or not you want to purchase shares in this company. I will say to you that it is wise to purchase shares when the price is low. When you buy low and the price appreciates, that's another way how you benefit from investing in shares. Now you're going to be thinking, do I want to invest in stocks, right? And stocks are usually long-term investment because sometimes the stock price might increase or decrease, so it's best for you to hold it for a period of time. Now, if you're not so brave because you're not sure what company to buy in, what to look for in the different companies, and you don't think you have what it takes to actually make this decision about purchasing shares, you can invest in unit trust. Now, what the unit trust is all about, it's a mixture of different instruments. You ever heard the term of not putting your eggs in one basket? This is what the unit trust offers. So it's a mixture of bonds, stocks, real estate, among other things, right? Among other things. So it gives you an opportunity as the investor to invest in all of these instruments. And so you are able to diversify your portfolio. What this does is that in case for any reason one instrument is not performing well, the other can cushion it, right? So it gives you a even playing field, so to speak. So if the stocks is not performing well, your bond might be performing well. And if your bond not performing well, your real estate might be performing well. And so the different options balance out each other. Now, I said to you in previous episode that JMMB, they have this Go Get a Live series going on their Facebook page and YouTube channel. If you have not been watching that, you need to get over there and start watching, because there's a wealth of information out there on how to invest, where to invest, when to invest, the different investment options that are available. And you know that JMMB is one of those institutions that offer different investment options. So you can go and check out the website, and I am sure that you will find the information quite useful. Outside of that, if JMMB is not your bank, because I'm not an advocate for JMMB any at all, if JMMB is not your bank, you can visit Sagicor or NCB or any one of the commercial banks, and I'm sure that they will be able to provide you with some information on how you can start investing. Now, if you still have your money in savings account, you have a problem, right? You're not making your money work for you. Remember, you're trying to seek the best options available so you can increase wealth. So, my friends, my DollarFocus family, this is where I'm going to leave you. 2 additional investment options for you to think about and choose, and to take a step to try. And remember, you don't need a lot of money to start investing. Guess what? I heard that you can start buying shares with a minimum or as low as 2,000 or 2,500. So guess what? Stop boxing in yourself and stop thinking that investment, the term investment, because it sounds so big and elite, is only for a specific group of people, the elite. No, everybody has the opportunity to invest and to make their money work for them. So what are you waiting for? Start investing now. Look at the different options and start investing. Until next time, this is where I'm going to leave you, my DollarFocus family. Make sure that you like, share, subscribe, and of course, I want to hear from you. I want to hear how your financial journey has been. Did you make the transition? Did you make the transition from savings to investment? I want to hear from you. Until next time, friends, walk good and take care and watch your dollar.